Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to delete your work profile on Android. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. You'll find it on the home screen or in the Apps drawer. Look for the gear-shaped icon. Next, scroll down and tap on Accounts and Backup. This section lets you manage both personal and work accounts. Now tap on Manage Accounts. This shows all accounts linked to your phone. Find the account connected to your work profile. If it's a Google account, select it from the list. Then tap Remove Account. A confirmation prompt will appear. Confirm it to remove the account. If your work profile uses a different account, like Microsoft, return to the list and choose that one instead. Then tap Remove Account and confirm. After this, your work profile will be deleted from your Android phone. So that's basically how you can delete your work profile on Android. And that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thanks.